Oria ministry ya ugima wa mwiri irathi na mbere na guthima andu noguo kuronekana bata wa guthima andu kwa wingi kumana na kuria riboti ciri wironeka kuona aingi aria maranyitikana na murimu uyu matiraumite the ciana ica ikuhi ta uria gukoretwo gukionekana na hau kabere.
We need to really start the testing capacity so that the contacts of those people who are positive can also be tested, and therefore we can be able to maintain and contain the pandemic.
Gukinyeria riu andu 246 nio mari na murimu uyu guku bururi-ini, namba iria minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe arauga citiagiriirwo kwerwo na uhuthu.
We have already tested about 450 samples. Out of these 450 samples, we have already got 12 positive cases, and we have not finished the day. And 5, for example, are hotel workers, and another 4 from our sampling.
Gukinya kwa murigo uyu wa indo itiganite cia guteithiriria kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19 kuonanitie mweneni kuri ministry ya ugima wa mwiri wa kuhura njeki mubango wa guthima Kenya kwa wingi.
Without these sampling tubes, we would not be able, and we were not going to be able to start our mass testing capability. But with these tubes now, we are able to fast track.
Ihinda-ini riu andu aria mari ceceni imwe cia keheri ni mongereirwo thiku ingi 14 thutha wa amwe yao kunyitikana na murimu wa COVID-19. Aria mari ceceni ici iria ni Kenyatta University, KMTC Nairobi Kanu Hostel, KMTC Nairobi MG Hostel, Kenya Water Institute na JKUAT marerekana matikoretwo makirumirira mawatho ma ministry ya ugima wa mwiri na nikio mekorete thina-ini uyu. Oho thirikari nene no iguthie na mbere na kugia na cikaro na thirikari cia county niguo gutigirira maundu maria miena ino yeri ireka matinahingicana kana kurehe iremithia hari kurua na murimu uyu.
We will have a second round of coordination meetings with the county governments next week so that we can address some of the challenges the governors are facing. Yesterday, a meeting between His Excellency the President and the Chair of the Council of Governors, Governor Oparanya, listed certain things that we need to work on between now and early next week to ensure that we support the county governments effectively to address the challenges we face.
Ministry ya ugitiri ni guthurima ceceni cia keheri iria cithondeketwo kaunti-ini gutigirira ni ikinyaniirie ikiro maya mothe ari mehaririria maugwati uria ungioneka matuku meguka. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.